Hello everyone, my name is Ashwarya from Triple.com. Why do we celebrate Indian Air Force Day on 8th of October? The Indian Air Force, also known as Bharatiya Vayu Sena, was officially established on 8th of October in 1932 by the British Empire, as India was under the rule of Britishers at that time. The Indian Air Force is the air arms of the three Indian armed forces, and their primary mission was to secure the Indian airspace and conduct aerial activities during the times of conflict. The whole nation is celebrating the Indian Air Force Day today to mark the 88th anniversary of the Indian Air Force. The day every year is marked by celebrations by the Indian Air Force at the Hindon Air Base in Ghaziabad near Delhi. The Indian Air Force Day is celebrated to increase the awareness about Indian Air Force and the role it plays in the nation's security. The day is celebrated in Air Force bases all across the nation with air shows and parades conducted by Air Force cadets. The celebrations also include an air display where the most crucial and vintage aircraft put up a magnificent show. On the occasion, Union Defence Minister Mr. Rajnath Singh wished the air warriors and their families. Taking to Twitter, he wrote, "I am confident that the Indian Air Force will always guard the nation's skies. Come what may, here's the wishes, you blue skies and happy landing always." Indian Air Force frontline warplanes like Rafale, Sukhoi 30, Apache, Tejas, Gajraj will showcase its lethal firepower. 56 aircraft including 19 fighters and 7 transport aircraft along with 19 helicopters would be taking part in aerial display during this year Indian Air Force Day parade. However, this year the events related to Air Force Day celebration have been scaled down due to the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. The regular scheduled event related to veteran at Delhi NCR has been cancelled.